Are you ready for an episode of Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut with your host, Sounds of Shar'e? Well, get ready because I'm bringing you exclusive footage that you won't see anywhere else. Get ready as I take you behind the scenes for the 2021 Classic Men's Fashion Show, a black carpet affair. I'm bringing it to you up close, unplugged, and uncut. So make sure you stay tuned to soundsofshare.net. This event is brought to you by one of the smoothest vodkas in the world, Castell Vodka. Make sure you order yours today. This year brought out all the A-list stars and A-list fashion designers. Make sure you stay tuned so you'll see some of the exclusive looks that you'll only see right here on the runway. Don't go anywhere. This year's event was hosted by the one and only Willie Dynamite and brought to you by the Integrative Model Association. Think you know fashion and what goes on behind the scenes? You have no idea. That's why I'm bringing it to you raw and uncut. Did I forget to mention that we had international fashion designers in the building last night? Oh yeah, you see it. Make sure you stay tuned to soundsofshare.net because I'm bringing you fashion and entertainment like you won't see anywhere in Indy. Only on Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut with your girl, Sounds of Shar'e. This episode is brought to you by Films by Shar'e, Key Touch Studios, Amps Magazine, and Amps TV. Full episode will air on soundsofshare.net December 17th at 7 p.m. Make sure you tune in.